Now today, when I see our elder, the Angami public organization and Simi feel that we should come together for better Nagaland. Through unity, there can be peace, there can be development, there can be a voice of defending ourselves. If Naga unity is harbored by all of us, Naga solution also will come. But we are divided. The so-called national workers, they don't listen to any one of us because we are divided. Therefore, society had to come together by forging each other. Hey, you speak Sema, you speak Angami, so that if we cannot pick up. But the mindset should be one. You are in one ground. You are in one jurisdiction. You cannot part each other for your selfish interest. Today is not a day to talk this kind of thing. It's a day of Thanksgiving. It's a day of celebration, sharing the year-long struggle, harvest, what is blessed us by the God, the Almighty. But our time has met us to speak all these kind of things. Today, no political language should be used in our festival. It's a celebration. It's a celebration, a day of a celebration. But we are forced to speak to each other because this is also an occasion where one can speak out and we can respect each other. We can listen to each other for better Nagaland. Maybe, according to me, we may be nearer to each other by history or by many similarities in our system are there. But circumstances also has divided us. We could not manage to come look for each other because of certain reasons, difficulties. So I would only say that if these two communities, if these three tribes can take a little history, but emotional interpretation. We are bounded in surrounded boundaries. We are not too far from each other. Therefore, Yaji Manilwa, Simi or our Angami public organization, this is an eye-opener for the people. Celebration of 2-3 communities together is better than a single tribe celebration. Showcase your activities, what you are doing. You are not keeping your words. You are not revisiting your issues. I've been asking. The farming community has been completely destroyed. In the villages, there is no farming community. Is it not a shameful thing? Whether your soil is good or bad, it's a God gift. Your parents started living from there and they have survived up to that. Why you are ashamed away from such land that you are privileged to have? From there also, huge, plenty of crops will come up if you nurture, if you try. But our people has lost the culture of cultivation, having buffer stock, granaries of our granaries. We are losing our system. We talk to others, big words, but practically we are failing in all fronts. I would therefore request, in the presence of our brothers and sisters, Angami Kanwasotikwe, Sama Vatat to Dangro Kwe, come there. Let us work, let us also help us. Amakan be come Kurve, survive Kurve, shortage wale, let the friends, let the community, let the government come forward and to rescue us, to help us. Celebration, meaningful celebration is good, but without meaning, dan bin olay gubi nolay ade ki avna manite. It's a Thanksgiving Day. What is your harvest? What are the crops that you are lying here? This to man to nolay se to man quintal nolay se ko na gedo. The villages are empty, no grainers. So, ami para gani kuano. Lucky to be today. I'm one of the senior most member from my district. And because of my position, I made to be the Ahuna Baba. Otherwise, there are many seniors, there are many practical living people are there who should be here as a father. Itu kan loike na ato le bahal harvest bahal thaga time jan hole ta kan to kandi jabo. If they are meant to be the father of Ahuna, like me, those parents will cry. They live with a significant. So, itya aji amakan logote technology be aise. Civilization has already come. To technology laga farming hola bhi kurve na. This area, I think, your soil fertility is there. Villages are big. You are doing well, but in most of Simi areas, I see we are losing our dignity of labor. What our parents were. So, don't mind. In the present time, Simo Gani one way, all parents should realize they don't go proud like in a Kai, Putaniko. In the Dogante Kinekato, Kunba Bakita Lobo, Kunba Paisa de Waparo, Akunba Doganto, Ketinogra, and bankrupt could the Abbas, Dogan Bon Goina, petrol pump bon Korgana. Paisa manugena digena business community so let us see what is possible. Keep pare try kurve na parab chete survival kane chur khole bhi manu hai to khole bhi upay nai kwabi. There is a way where we get appreciation to kane aji khushi paise. We used to celebrate in Zemuto district headquarters only, but this year, with the new team of Simi president and his colleagues coming home, we share that the Ahuna festival should be shifted to all the constituency headquarters, where all should get facility to see that the progress of Ahuna mini hornbill, which is extended to tribal powers. In culmination, we go to 1st December to 10th December. And Nagas, many Nagas has progressed out of this celebration also. Now, even the government is extending another 6 district headquarters. I've been telling Chief Minister, I've been suggesting to the government that the first day of the state day is definitely sure, 1st December. But the rest time should be extended to all the districts so that tourists can visit all the locations. They will experience various tribal people because we have different kind of practices, isn't that? Itu kan mondigana Naga Gurubule. As I said, you have not mentioned here as a friendship stone. You said it's a relationship stone. Please go back with the fond memories. that this stone should not be abandoned. There should be a result oriented. There will be some people may be weak, some people may be strong, but unless we leave the weak, the strong one also cannot live alone. There will be quarrel, there will be tussle among the strong fellows. There must be weaker people also to be with the strong people. So communities, strong communities also should understand to see how we work. Every constituency, every tribe, every district has a story. But that story is okay, finished, which could not be fulfilled. What was the past? That was the story. But for now, we should come together and see how can we help each other, how to help each other. Dr. Kaito likha khan story I say, that's true. But let us see that. Past nikah hoise kole bhi itya time there, how to force together, how to come together, how to help each other. That's the only formula. Otherwise, we cannot talk about the past of 19th, 18th century like that. What is today for us? What is our share today? I think we all should cultivate the present time problems and come together to see that we help each other. When I came to see the participation of the Angami public organization, Chakro ro semato badmas kane aise milabi mile na milabi aise kali Allah bhal jaye aise to hosta na. I'm just watching whether that is true or not. Friendship means we should try to meditate for a friend before it is too wrong, before it is too late. So friendship to amar dukh time de madat karne korle, that is a temporary friendship. So long run temporary friendship no gonna permanent friendship. Good neighbors. So itu korigena amakhani lead korbi semato ikunai ami koite manu puri thakibo semato pura wearer commandant general brigadier tagan pension bhi pae nahi tagan la rora sal bhi bal banao para nahi. We are not beggars, but Simi is a victim of Naga struggle. I always used to speak to my friends. Please don't neglect Simi also. We have a role. We have participated emotionally at the early stage. And today we have become a victim. However, we are thankful to the Naga community. My 8 colleagues is here along with me. We are working hard. But it is not the maintenance. We are only looking for refreshment. But we la Korea can to banai di gana maintenance here. So maintenance is fresh notun banato dam to bishala ko jai. So expectation cannot be made, but as a Bishop said, as a Ahuna father, I even extend beyond Angami and Simis that Simi bounty harvest, blessed Ahuna festival should be extended to all the tribal communities in Nagaland, so that we are all blessed together, we all celebrate together. We have different Ahuna. I thought the Rengma friends also will come. So last day, thank you, Kovale Koisile, Ahanai, to Gani Pishi Kushi Paise. I'm a FPO president of our colleague, Sapo, Aro Chakra Pe Aise, Bishi, Alkotabi Koidise Abna. We also would try to see that we continue to strengthen our relationship in the bring back Naga people, Naga communities together. But maybe if we want to be together, I think we have to also struggle for those communities who not at par with us. Therefore, community like Angami, lucky that God has kept a provision for you and for quite some time, government is in your hand. Now, be it Chief Minister, President Chief Minister, be it anybody, Aji Kurise, Charise to Karimi Kwame, it's time for our community also to rescue the Nagas. I shall be very frank. So the direct rescue cannot be made, but your cooperation, your support towards other communities also to Garnier. 8 tribes kurbo, 14 tribes kurbo. Debi Naga laga unity, Nagas of Nagaland laga platform ekta banabo. तो ये NPO कोई से हमारे तो लोग भी तो हमारे लगा council लगा फेंकते लगा इशू ऐसे लोग बुरकियो ना हमारे मज़े भी आता भी चलो we'll go ahead with 8 tribes itu भी ना पड़े हमें लता और लोग भी खबर पड़े I told you 2 communities could not send your name of the member who had to represent. So हमारे मज़े देने का ऐसे कथा तो कोई ऐसे क्यों practically you don't come out to help the community. Do formation to not for bad, but to protect the tribes of Naga, so that they in the federation, in the whole, you people can represent Nagas of Naga. What is your voice? That is what we mean it. So let us all work together. We have gone beyond our festival, but with these few words, thank you so much, and let God bless us to face another Ahuna and Simi in the days to come also, without much difficulty. So let God bless these 2 communities. Your initiative should be a positive one in order to rebuild a strong Naga community. With these few words, thank you so much.